Lovely Scorpions, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Scorpions, as always, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2021. Okay, please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. Alright, you would also want to see other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Scorpions, before we start your reading, a couple of points I would like to clarify. In this month I have changed the pattern of the reading. I am not doing the Celtic cross as always, the 10 card spread. Today I am going to do a 5 card spread followed by a few oracle cards. One of those will be the angel answers deck that I will be using. That deck I usually use only in my personal readings. This is the first time I am using it in my collective readings. Okay, and one interesting deck I am going to use this time is about crystal oracle cards. Okay, so at the end of this reading we'll be pulling one crystal oracle message for you guys that will tell what aspect of you needs attention or needs healing. Basically crystals work with your vibrations, okay, and they help you heal wherever the healing is required, okay, be it physically, be it emotionally, at cosmic level, whatever it is. Okay, so we are going to pull one crystal card for you guys, so stay tuned till the end. I'm sure you're going to love it. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get started with your reading. So guys, while shuffling for your energy, I was strongly getting the message that you're going to get some message from someone. Okay, some sort of important message, some sort of important communication, mail, SMS, phone call, whatever it is, but some important news that is going to come your way in the near future, guys. That news is going to be really important for you personally. Okay, so I also had the feeling that you guys must really pay attention to your dreams. Some of you might get some downloads from dreams also. You should strongly pay attention to your intuition, because that's the kind of vibe I'm getting very heavily. Be very mindful of your intuition. Do not ignore it, and you guys should really meditate. Okay, if you start meditating even 5 minutes, okay, as less as 5 minutes every day, you see how miraculously you will start getting answers to whatever it is that you are seeking answers for. Okay, so that is the message that I have been getting very strongly for you guys. Let's see what we get for you in your main reading now. Okay, by the way, the card that jumped was Sun card, so a happy card. I always love it when Sun cards shows up. Okay, interesting, Scorpions. Yeah, yes, I mean, I'm just not saying based on these cards, but I also had the feeling that you guys need to heal either emotionally or physically. Okay, you really need to heal. You need to take, yeah, there you go, talk of healing, and the star card shows up. Like, can't this be more accurate? Okay, can this be more accurate? I mean, the cards are just amazing, they never lie. So yeah, you guys definitely need healing. 6 of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Don't worry, you're going to be victorious at whatever it is. Yeah man, definitely guys. Oh my goodness, I'm taking this bunch together. 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 6 of Wands, and 3 of Cups. Like, okay, I'll keep this for the end of the reading. Okay, yeah, so let's get started with your main reading, guys. 4 of Swords is also showing up. Probably I feel that since there is this 3 of Swords and 4 of Swords, I feel that you guys are not communicating with someone. Okay, not communicating, cut ties with someone. So the energy at your present position is that of 6 of Swords. Definitely you guys are trying to move on from something. Okay, you're leaving behind one chapter, one incident, or one major occurrence or event of your life. Okay, and have decided to move on from it. Okay, definitely not an easy decision. Definitely it was difficult to take this action, make this decision, take this action. Okay, see, there's water all around. Okay, but definitely there are swords also, so it's like matter of head over heart kind of a thing. Okay, you really sometimes you just really have to let go and move on. Okay, that's the kind of energy you are in right now. You see that there is no choice. Okay, you really have to move on. That's the energy I'm getting very strongly in the current situation. You could have you probably could have air in your chart somewhere, guys. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or the person whom you are dealing with. Okay, that person might have air strongly in their chart. Okay, and also earth is what I saw in the overall reading. In your recent future, there is three of swords. Now I will club this three of swords and four of swords card together that has come up in your overall energy. Definitely there has been some incident in your life in your recent past that has caused you a real heartbreak, like real heartbreak, and I am really sorry that you guys had to go through so much pain. But whatever this was, it was not easy to deal with, and my heart goes out to you guys. This is the most painful energy in the tarot deck, and this is followed by this is confirmed by four of swords. Probably you're not communicating with someone, have broken ties with someone, cut ties with someone probably, or someone has cut ties with you. But definitely there is some stalled or cutting of cords or communication over here. This is something which is dominant in your vibration right now. You're sleeping with this thought. Okay, whatever this event was, whatever this incident was, this has affected or gotten into your skin is what I'm seeing over here. Yeah, I mean I can just understand, guys. Not an easy energy for sure. The energy in the immediate future is Five of Cups. Now this is definitely you who are still going to feel it difficult to move on. Okay, like I said, this decision to move on is not an easy one. Definitely you are going to experience a kind of hard, what do we say, heartache is what I would call it. You know, you'll still grieve over the situation for a couple of months more, but that's quite natural, guys. Moving from three of swords to six of swords is not an easy energy. Okay, so it's a part of healing process is what I will say. Do take time. Okay, do take your own sweet time, but make sure that you are making little progress every day in terms of moving on. Okay, I never give anyone any suggestion or advice, you know, that okay, it's okay or this thing or that thing. No, if you feel like crying, if you feel like grieving, one should grieve. Okay, there is nothing wrong in that. One should cry if one is feeling sad, but make sure that you do not remain stuck in this energy. Little progress bit by bit is very much important, is what is all I can tell you. The energy in your blocking position is that of Ten of Cups. Now since this has come in the blocking position, I feel that yes, this whatever this incident was, it is related to someone's personal life, some incident, some crack in someone's relationship is what I am seeing over here. Okay, and you were looking for this Ten of Cups relationship. You were aiming for this, and probably that did not happen. Okay, that got a crack somewhere is what I'm getting over here. But the good news is, guys, the energy in the advice card is that of Star. The universe clearly wants you to move on from whatever this is. Okay, know that whatever has happened is for your highest good. I mean, it's a very cliched statement, I know. Probably you will even get irritated at me for, you know, making this very what do I say, cliched is the word, you know, kind of statements, but I can't help it, guys. I'm giving you the message that I'm getting. Whatever and that's generally how things are. Okay, even if when things go wrong, we really feel extremely angry and frustrated and sad and hurt, and that's quite natural. But in the long run, if you, after a few years, when you go back and see, you really know how far you have come and how important that incident was for you. Okay, and how much it has transformed you. Okay, that's how we go through this lifetime, that's how we learn these lessons. Okay, anyway, coming back to this is an Aquarian card. Like I said, you strongly have air in your chart somewhere, or the person with whom you are dealing has air in their charts. This reading is basically ruled by air, water and earth energy. There are no wands, there is no fire energy at all in this reading. You guys need to balance your things out. Like I said at the beginning of the reading, you guys really need to meditate. You have to have healthy balance of emotions and practical aspects of life towards whatever this situation or life in general is what I'm seeing. Like this lady here, she has one foot in water and one over ground, and she's pouring water both on the both the sides, and there is star also. So know that whatever this is, God has your back in this situation. Okay, definitely God is with you throughout this process, no matter how difficult the times are, and you are going to heal, and you should work towards healing. Okay, so rest enough, take rest, indulge in the activities, or rather only in the activities that make you happy. Okay, talk to people that make you happy. Cut ties with everything that is negative, like absolutely everything and everyone. Okay, that's how I have dealt through some rough period of my life. So that's why I'm telling you. I mean, it's not just preachy kind of a thing, but yeah, definitely I understand. Yes, so the overall energy is Six of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Three of Cups. Now guys, I feel that you have invested a lot in something. It could be in terms of money also, it could be in terms of your efforts in your profession also, and you are waiting for getting the benefits of your hard work, or the labor, or the blood and sweat that you have put in. Please note that whatever it is that you have worked hard towards, you are definitely going to get the fruits of that hard work, hard labor. You are going to be victorious from that, and this is going to be a definitely call for celebration. I see that some of you guys might get a promotion, you guys might get a new job, new career opportunity, something which will make you very happy. Okay, something that is going to make you want to celebrate with your friends and family is what I'm seeing over here. Definitely the wait, the hard work is going to be worth it is what I'm seeing. Some of you might have indulged in some charity work also, give and take of money. If you have invested in some stocks or whatever it is, maybe or whatever investments that you have made, you are going to get good returns on those investments is what I'm seeing over here. So in a nutshell, whatever hard work that you have put into, okay, whatever it might be, a relationship or a career or any materialistic tangible monetary investment, you are going to get returns of that, and it's going to be a call for celebration. Definitely you are going to be celebrating some event, some incident in your life. I feel the message that I was getting while shuffling for your energy, this is related to this energy directly, this is connecting to this energy directly. You are going to get some message that is going to directly impact your life. Okay, that's going to be a game changer for you, and I feel that this celebration is definitely related to that vibe that I was getting. So I'm really excited what it was that you guys have manifested. Okay, so do let me know whenever that comes into reality. Just drop a comment or drop a message and let me know. So let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. So guys, this card has flipped up. The energy is gaining momentum. I hope you can see the card. The energy is gaining momentum. It's a lovely energy. Like I said guys, whatever it is that you have been waiting for so patiently, know that that communication is going to come your way very speedily. Things are happening in the background, and you are going to definitely see the results really very soon. It could be related to this healing also, some big transformations. So yeah, be mindful of your intuitions, and be attentive to your dreams also is what I'm keeping on getting. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, 3 cards have flipped. Be assertive. Wow. It's a very self-explanatory card. Wait. Okay. The wait card is shown here also. Like you guys definitely are waiting, and the universe and the angels are asking you to wait for the right time. The angels are clearly telling you are going to get whatever it is that you are waiting for. Another thing is get information, get more information. So guys, meanwhile, try to get more information on whatever it is that you are trying to achieve. Okay, like I said, I am just not I don't know what it is, what kind of message is going to come your way, but this is definitely going to be a game changer is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, meanwhile, as when you are waiting, you try to do your work, try to do your homework, try to do your research. Okay, get more information about the subject. If it's a new job that you are applying for, try to get more information about the company, the work environment. If you are entering into a new relationship, trying to find out more about that person. Okay, that kind of energy is what I'm getting over here. Yeah, lovely message, very straight message. And now, like I said at the beginning of the reading, we are going to pull one crystal card for you guys and see what healing we need for you guys for this month. Okay, these are very lovely cards and I'm so loving using them as well. Guys, the card that has flipped for you is Smoky Quartz Celestial. And my goodness, guys, you must listen to what this card has to say. I'll read it out for you guys, and it is so much resonating with this reading, okay, with these cards, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So the card basically talks about it's about karming, healing, and it opens different dimensions and brings powerful transmutation. Okay, like I said, the healing message is very strong in your overall reading. Also, you have a powerful survival instinct and ability to go where others dare not. Transmute the past, realize that darkness is not evil. Facing your deepest fears turns these into golden gifts. You know that death is only a transformation into another state of being. Take responsibility for your life. Don't let other takes control of it. What a beautiful message. Be patient. Much stirs beneath the calm surface. Total transformation is close. It may entail a trip into the underworld. Your shadow becomes your brightest gift. Toxic emotions turn to positive regard. Ground your efforts in everyday but retain contact with higher realms. Success comes through dedication and trust in your abilities. Mentors are available. Release yourself from old enchantments. Like I said, you really need to meditate and connect to your higher self, guys, and heal. That's the strong message I'm getting for you guys, Scorpions. You definitely need to heal and connect you to your higher self. No part of you is evil or bad. Embracing your shadow leads to healing hidden in the darkest reaches of your life. Like I have been saying throughout this reading, and it's been confirmed by this crystal as well, crystal card. Definitely you guys need to heal from something, some traumatic experience, some traumatic past, maybe some illness, whatever it is. You need to take time to meditate and heal. If you want to have this crystal in real life, if any of you want to go for a real crystal, do get in touch with me and we can see how we can work it out for you guys. Okay, so Scorpions, I'll leave it at that. If this is your story, any of this resonates with you, please like the video. Okay, and do not forget to drop comments about what your experience was. How did you like this reading? How did you like this pattern? Okay, if you do not like it, I'll take a call based on the majority comments and I'll revert back to old this thing pattern, or maybe try something new. Okay, so yeah, see you next month directly, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.